I have created this slab on my slab roller, and I had some people asking me before, how do I succeed in getting them so smooth? Rolling the slabs out is one way to do it. I roll it up to prevent it from getting stretched. Here are 6 balloons that I put up, and I am 100% sure you're going to ask me, how do I create these balloons so that I can deflate them afterwards? So let me quickly show you that. If you're scared of blowing up the balloon by yourself, you can use one of these little toolies. So under normal circumstances, you would go in and you would go all the way around with the balloon. Not so when you want to deflate the balloon. You go halfway into it and pull it out like that. So now when your clay is leather hard, you're going to just literally grab it there. This one. There you go. Sometimes I would put just a spurt of water there just so that it can get stuck. And I'm taking it fairly much to the middle. I'm just going to start stretching the clay. In many instances it may fold. Depending on how carefully you're working, you can stretch this to the point where it will completely go around the piece. If you keep stretching it over like this, obviously the form is going to get uneven again. And depending on what you want to do, you can keep it uneven or you can start smoothing it out. The key now is to let these pieces become leather hard before you're going to even touch them. Don't let them sit too long because they may crack. It's still a hump mold, so you don't want for them to stay too long on this. But the minute that they're leather hard and be able to sit by itself, that's the time when you can deflate the balloon. I've so many times used this one just as it is right there. And then of course, my favorite cup for little dessert is this one that I've created over a balloon, and this one is my favorite bowl that I use for either cereal or soup. If you're interested in making dinnerware by hand, you are very welcome to come join us. Sign up for my class at TeachinArt.com. TeachinArt, if you would separate the words into a few words, you will not be disappointed. See you there.